The Earth will end, ultimately, as a cinder, because what's going to happen is that the sun, it'll grow as it gets older, and it'll swell up. It probably won't engulf the Earth, but it'll get close. The Earth will probably drift out because the sun will lose some mass. The Earth will end up toasted as a cinder, probably still orbiting the remains of the sun, which will be what's called a white dwarf star, which is just something that basically fades away. So that's what's going to happen in about 5 billion years. If you mean by the end of the world, you mean the end of civilization. But long before that, we'll have had to escape because the conditions on the planet will not support complex life like us. It'll be too hot. It is impossible to visualize the scale of the universe. In the piece of the universe we can see, there are something like, roughly, 2 trillion galaxies. We haven't counted them all, but that's an estimate based on surveys of the local universe. 2 trillion. 2,000 billion galaxies. And each galaxy is, let's say, around the size of the Milky Way. Some are bigger, some are smaller, but the Milky Way has 400 billion stars in it. It takes light over 100,000 years to cross a galaxy. And there are 2 trillion of them in the piece of the universe we can see. And we're very sure that that piece that we can see is a small bit of what may be an infinite universe beyond. We don't know, actually. And I always say, don't get worried about that, because nobody can picture it.